This video will show you how to use Uline's low-profile floor scales. This video walks through the operation of a 4x4 foot standard low-profile floor scale. While you may have a different size and type of scale, steps to use the low-profile floor scales are similar. To weigh, turn the scale on and place an item on the scale. Press the units button to change from pounds to kilograms. To count pieces, first empty the scale. Press the count button and then press 0 to select a sample weight of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, or 500 items. Put the selected sample number of items on the scale and press the Print Enter button. Now add on all additional items and the scale will calculate the quantity. If you prefer to use a container or skid for collecting items, you must first subtract its weight from the sample weight. To do this, first place the empty container on the scale and select Tare to set the scale back to 0. Now place your sample quantity in your container to get an accurate weight of the sample minus the weight of the container. To accumulate the weights of multiple skids of product, use the Accumulation feature. Place the first skid on the scale and press Total. You will see N001 show on screen. Unload the first skid and place the second skid on the scale and again press Total. This time you will see N002. Continue this until all skids are entered and then press Total. Then press the Total and Print button together to see the total accumulated weight. If you are using a printer with your scale, press Print on the indicator to receive a printout. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.